We are up in the greenhouse and we're gonna pick our sweet potatoes and hope we get something out of it. We'll see. Jen's gonna pull them up while I film.
Okay, I'm gonna be digging.
Okay, that's gonna require some digging. Hold, please. Oh, that's not a good sign, because I saw someone else's video where they picked them and that's what they got. That would be most unfortunate. This is the one we were thinking was going to be the good one out of all of them. Oh.
Maybe, we really didn't keep track of when we planted these.
Yeah, we probably planted them late. Because oh boy, if they grew to a maturity, they might have been pretty nice, because those are pretty giant, but oh. Well, sweet. Were these like a carrot sweet potato variety? If that's the case, they did great.
These were just from the store, so.
Oh yeah.
We really.
Oh.
At least they grew, but.
Yeah.
Might need to do it.
Almost got there. Gosh.
We're gonna have to just next year. We need to make a diary and.
Yeah.
Know when we planted them, because they have a certain number of days.
Yep, we kind of rushed into everything this year, and maybe it's showing. All right, well, that's what we pulled out of this guy, and man, it looks like they were good size if they just would have plumped up and got to maturity. So we'll have to do a little more research and get these things in the ground when they're supposed to get in the ground, and
just keep track of how many days they're...
Yeah, just pay attention and keep track how many days. Okay, so we're going to leave this bucket and just let it ride for a while and see if those things fatten up in there, because they're probably about the same as this. It was some of the same starts. So Miss Virginia is now going to try these potatoes in here, and then we'll go for this one. But first we'll clear this one out so we can take some of that and put it in there after we take the little pieces of cedar out of there. Whoa.
Yeah. A lot of roots.
Well, if this is all we get, I'm happy with that. Just kidding.
Oh, God.
That's I'm scared. Oh, there's a potato. That's promising. That's what she could pull off on a root, so.
Ugh, slimy.
Oh, yeah.
Some.
Oh, we got some red and some gold. I think those are Yukon golds that we planted.
Yeah.
That one got a little squished.
Oh. Ew. What the heck? Soft.
Old little guys. Reds. Look at that one.
What in the world?
Nice.
That is a weird shaped potato.
It's a manatee. Not the epic potato harvest we were expecting, but there's a few potatoes.
Yeah, edible. I'm going to put some of the dirt in the other one.
Yeah, I'm just going to pull these off first. Okay. Okay, we'll put these on this side. Oh. Nice one. Well, I thought we'd be pulling mashed potatoes out of here.
Nice one.
It's the king spud. Here's our fall crop of cabbage, and that turned into a crop of microgreens, because that's about all we're going to get out of that. So nice. Let's try one. Wow, that's pretty good. Tastes like broccoli. That is a harvest. Now, mind you, this is not the only stuff we got out of this garden in that basket. We've been harvesting tomatoes and kale, and we did get a zucchini, and we did get a squash. So we've gotten some stuff out of here, but we were
some strawberries and
oh yeah, strawberries, and we got peas.
Did we even eat those?
Yeah.
I guess we ate a
Yeah,
few
we ate peas. This, not so impressive, but it's food.
And we made some pesto.
We did make pesto out of our garlic and basil, so we did have a nice little garlic harvest, so that's good. And here's our squash tunnel, and there's our one butternut that is probably gonna make it. There's some up here, but they're just too small to, I don't think they're gonna mature before they die off. It's already getting pretty cold up here, but we haven't had our first frost yet. We also have a Lakota squash down here. We did pick one Lakota squash, and that's down at the cabin. So that guy looks like he'll make it. He's not gonna be very big, but he'll make it. So my dad made us this garden cart several months back, and I don't think I've ever shown it on a video, so there it is. That thing's been handy for hauling things from the cabin up to the greenhouse and greenhouse to the cabin, so thanks a lot for that, Pops. Well, that's our garden harvest video for now. We'll just check on the other potatoes and see if they do any better sitting there for longer. So we're almost Homestead. This is Jay and Jen.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time.